Looking for a 6-inch solution for aluminum panel lugs? Never strip your lugs again with this 6-inch Allen head bit kit from 𝙁𝙤𝙬𝙬. These high-hex key Allen bits are 6 inches long for increased versatility in electrical applications. It's also impact rated, and with a 1/4 inch hex shank, it can be used with impact drivers or your drill. Included are 5 sizes: 3/16 inch, 7/32 inch, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch. It also comes with a 3/8 inch socket wrench adapter. This kit is made with industrial strength bits, and with its quick connect design, it will fit any standard drill, quick change chuck, or ratchet. If you're an electrician, this Allen head driver bit kit at a 6-inch length is your next everyday care. With a 1/4 inch shank, you can use your impact driver or a 3/8 inch ratchet, all in one package. Get it from your local 𝙁𝙤𝙬𝙬 distributor at 𝙁𝙤𝙬𝙬.com or 𝙁𝙤𝙬𝙬-𝘼𝙏𝙬 if you're in Canada.